Hi everyone. Today I decided I wanted to have a little treat, and so I went to Dairy Queen and picked up a new Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard. This is a medium and it's $3.59, and it's got big chunks of cookie dough. You can see right there's one, there's another, all through it. And it's still kind of warm here in South Texas, so ice cream doesn't tend to do very well without a cup. Oh man, tastes just like Snickerdoodle. Yep, it's got the cinnamon. It's got a lot of cinnamon. You gotta like cinnamon, but it's good. It is good. Yep. Cool, creamy, cinnamony, DQ Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard. This I like. So I just wanted to share with y'all and let you know what it is. And it's new. I think it started on the 21st of this month. So run and go get you one. Let me know if you've already tried one of these and what you thought of it. Or when you get one, let me know what you think of it. My shows come out Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I try to have something in between at least once in the week. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and until my next one, I'll talk to you later.